Hello. Continuing the series of videos I'm doing about electric aircraft, today I don't want to talk about just one aircraft. Today I will talk about three aircrafts. Volocopter is the company that has created these three aircraft. Welcome to Pachi Travels. Volocopter is the only eVTOL company in the world that is real-world flight testing a heavy-lift cargo multicopter, VoloDrone with a payload of 400 kilograms. A passenger multicopter, the VoloCity, and a passenger eVTOL aircraft, the VoloConnect. I'll start by talking about the largest aircraft, the VoloConnect. The VoloConnect aircraft holds 4 passengers, has an estimated cruise speed of 180 km per hour and a range of 100 km. The VoloConnect has 6 VTOL propellers located on the top of 2 booms and 2 rear ducted fans for forward flight, a high wing. The aircraft also has tricycle-wheeled retractable landing gear. The company has stated aircraft will have Volocopter's fly-by-wire flight control system, have multiple redundant and separate systems for additional safety, and the aircraft has battery swapping capability. The VoloConnect airplane also have an interesting autonomous piloting. In May 2021, Volocopter stated they have been working on this aircraft for over 2 years in Munich, Germany, and have made multiple scaled prototypes which have been in flight testing. It was announced in June 2022 that the VoloConnect completed its first flight in May 2022. The VoloConnect will allow the company to expand its customer base and provide long-range eVTOL flight to passengers. The aircraft is expected to be used for both passenger and cargo service. Volocopter estimates that the VoloConnect eVTOL aircraft will be certified and in service by 2026. VoloCity, the little one in the family. 2 seats, 18 rotors, and endless possibilities. The VoloCity Air Taxi is a technologically superior all-electric aircraft with the ability to vertically take off and land. Back in 2011, Volocopter was the first to build and fly passenger in a vehicle of this kind. Developed to meet the exacting aviation standards and requirements set by the European Aviation Safety Agency, the innovative VoloCity design has already earned multiple certifications. The VoloCity aircraft can fly at speeds of 100 km per hour, with a range of 35 km. The batteries can be changed out in about 5 minutes, which drastically reduces turnaround times, and allows for almost continuous service of the aircraft. Volocopter plans to manufacture the aircraft, operate the taxi service, create an app for its customers, build their own Voloports throughout urban areas for safe takeoffs and landings, also including international airports as debarking and destination points. The company has stated they will not be selling the aircraft to final consumers. The VoloCity service is expected to be available between early to mid-2024. Volocopter will begin hiring pilots and ground staff in late 2023. And finally, the VoloDrone. To meet the needs of a lower-cost drone, with a good lifting capability 200 kilograms, Volocopter began the VoloDrone project in 2018. This uncrewed electric vertical takeoff and landing drone may be remotely piloted or fly in preset routes for agricultural or cargo missions. The drone uses standardized rail attachment system, commonly applied in aerospace and logistics, and can accommodate a wide variety of payloads. VoloDrone can also help in agriculture. The drone will have the capability of carrying sprayer equipment for plant protection, seed sowing, forest management, frost control and more. The drone can cover 6 hectares/hour, and due to GPS control, a more selective area treatment can be achieved. The VoloDrone demonstrator performed its first flight in October 2019, and is now testing in real-life applications with lead customers. The company states the commercial product will be available very soon. Thank you very much for watching the video. Leave me your comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.